Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. So, tonight we are supposed to have a hurricane that visit us. Yeah, the hurricane is Hurricane Francine. So, for this hurricane, my family and I, we decided we were going to stay home. It was predicted at one point to be a category 1 to hit um, when it hit Louisiana. But from what now I understand, it is a 2. It is a category 2. But we have made our decision. We're going to stay home. We are prepared. We have all the things that we need for 7 to 10 days after the hurricane, because if anything happens, the power will go down. Yeah. But we are prepared. And now I'm just walking around in my garden, just checking everything out. Ben and I have locked everything down. So we'll see how it goes. But after the hurricane, I'm going to share with you all just what's going on over here, right? All right, guys. So I know it's very, very hard to see because many of the lights, this is my garden, right? I'm in my back door. You really can't see, but it's a little windy. And we've been getting just winds, a lot of winds coming up, and then it settled down. But yeah, so now this is the moringa tree. Um, I guess it's about 9 o'clock at night, and it's a little windy. Um, Basically, just a little windy, and it is drizzling, raining. Right now, at one point, we did get a lot of rain. I mean, rain were just beating on the house, right? But it comes in squalls, I would say, and then it goes. That's the plantains. Yeah, that's the plantains. Yeah. Now this is the front of the house, and you can hear the wind. It was really. This was about maybe 11 o'clock at night, and yeah. But it really didn't get that bad. In my home, my son and I was there, and we were just eating and watching CNN and our local news, mostly on what was going on in our area. hmm Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. It is whew, it's 7 a.m. Today is I guess it's Thursday. Yeah. So I'm out here checking my garden to see, you know, what Francine, uh, what has happened with Francine. And there's some things that she did. So this is my orange tree right here. So let me share this with you. This is my orange tree. She's laying down. She's laying against the olive tree. And this is her roots. This is what, yeah. So, Ben and I, we're going to pull her up and stand her up. But, wow, I didn't know the wind was that strong to do that. But it did. Yeah. And the pear tree, this is the pineapple pear tree. She's leaning over, but she's good. So, my pomegranate tree, if you can see, she is laying down. Yeah, the pomegranate tree is laying down. Yep. she's all right though. We're gonna pull her up and stand her up. Check this out. Well, all the sugar cane is knocked down, but the persimmons, y'all see those persimmons back there? Baby, they held on. I don't see a persimmon on the ground. Yeah, they're all there. They all held on. Persimmons, they tough. So she is staked up, right? I staked her up with a stake, and I tied a sock around it, and she's good. She's good. All right. The Oregon pear tree, she's good. Yeah, she's good too. And this is my moringa tree. As you can see, she just took a beating. She was just flying in the wind, but she took a beating. But she's good. She'll be good. It's still very windy out here, as you can hear. Yeah, it's still windy, but yeah. But let me share with you all my plantains. Oh boy. This was the rack with the brand new babies. The brand new rack. As you can see it right there. It's on the ground. Yeah, it bent down. There's about five racks that is down. Yeah. And on the other side, they are leaning down. So a lot of them is just gonna have to come down. That's all. The coffee plant, she's under there. She's good. She's snugging good under there. But a lot of the plantain plant is down. You can see them all down, all around. This is my soursop, and she's fine. She's fine. Yeah. But anyway, that is a lot of the damage that was done here. Yeah, so that pear tree right there, you can see she's leaning, but you know, she'll be all right. But that's it. That is the extent of Francine and what she have done to this garden. Basically, just a lot of cleaning and standing up, right? But you know, that's it. That is it, baby. That is it. All of my okras are down. They were there. That's them right there. The okra, they're down. And you know, that's okay. That's okay. Some sugarcane went down, but as you can see, some sugarcane is still up there, and there's more in the other corner. So, and oh my God, y'all! I don't know if y'all see that. Wait a minute. I hope he come out. Because it's a hummingbird. It's a hummingbird in there. So my night during the hurricane, everything went very smoothly. And one of the things I thought would happen did not happen. We did not lose power at any time.